The tracker tool is designed to give therapists and teachers a simple, practical way to quantify and track student behaviors over time. To begin, tap the tracker button on the main screen. You will then be taken to the behavior tracker screen. Enter the student's name in the text field. To protect student privacy, I recommend using the student's initials or a pseudonym rather than their full name. Please note that no student data is shared from the app. All the information is stored locally on the user's device, and any distribution of exported data is at the discretion and responsibility of the user. Next, press the plus button, then select your newly added student from the list below. On the next screen, you will see the student's name at the top of the card. Tap the Select Behaviors to reveal the list of behaviors you can track. Tap the circle next to each behavior you would like to collect data on. A green check mark will indicate that the behavior has been selected, and a button will be created below for each selected behavior. If you would like to track a behavior that is not listed, you can add your own custom behavior using the Add Behavior field below. Once you have made your selections, tap the Select Behaviors menu again to hide the menu. You'll now see individual buttons for each behavior you selected. The tracker tool allows you to track the time, frequency, and duration of behaviors. When observing a student, simply tap the button associated with the behavior when it occurs. A log will appear below the button with the timestamp based on the date and time of your device. This can help you identify when behaviors are occurring, how often they are happening, and whether patterns are emerging based on time of day, activity, setting, or other factors. This information can help guide intervention planning and team decision making. The tracker tool also allows users to measure the duration of a behavior. To do this, tap and hold the behavior button to start the timer. When the behavior stops, tap the button again to stop the timer. The behavior will be logged below, and the duration will be recorded next to it. The tracker tool also allows users to document in-the-moment intervention strategies. For example, if you trial a sensory strategy after observing behavior, you can document it directly within the behavior log. Tap and hold the behavior entry associated with the time of occurrence to reveal a menu. Then tap Add Sensory Strategy. A card will appear where you can enter the strategy trialed, the outcome, and any additional notes. These notes will be included in your exported data form. When you have finished collecting data, tap the circle with the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you can export your data in a CSV format. CSV files can be opened in Microsoft Excel, Apple Numbers, Google Sheets, or similar spreadsheet software. Data sheets can be emailed, texted, or saved to your device. When you open the CSV file, you'll see the behavior data you recorded, including timestamps, frequency, duration, and any documented intervention strategies. This information can be used to support intervention decisions and create graphs or visual summaries to share with teams and families. The tracker tool makes it easy to collect meaningful behavior data in the moment so therapists and teachers can better understand student needs, identify patterns, and make informed decisions about support.